My uncle made this.
Check it out.
What's up, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, and y'all know who it is. It's your boy, TexazMane, checking in the game music mode. Hope y'all having a good day, man. My day's not too good, man. I'm sick as a dog, bro. I think this is the third day I've been sick right now. Didn't go to work today, so I'm at home. But might as well be productive, right? So, got my package in from Nike. Just do it. So y'all know, y'all go back and look at the videos and look at the times people posted. I'm one of the first one to ever mention this tape being on top of this box with the packages being left outside of the door for anybody to come and grab it. But we're gonna go ahead and get into it, man. Today is, I'm gonna say, one of the most hyped pickups of the whole year. Another favorite silhouette of your boy. Gotta cut both sides if you wanna let her ride. I'm already getting nervous. Why am I nervous? I don't even know. Go my receipt right here. Oh, that's the other thing I forgot to mention. I'll talk to y'all about this in a sec. Let me open these because y'all want to see them, right? I want to see them. Oh man, box flip. Now, y'all know what this is, right? Yeah, boy. Your boy got lucky. Your boy got lucky. We got my size 12 brown box Jordan 1, baby. OG. Colorway is black sail dark mocha. Retail, baby. Retail 130. I ain't really about that resale life too much. Y'all know in the past y'all know before I've copped some of my grails, I'll pay for them if I really gotta have them, but there's not too many I'm gonna pay resale for. Oh my goodness, bro. This is the first time I seen a pair of these in hand.
My uncle made this.
I can't smell. My nose is stopped up. Double. Like double mint gum. Double the paper. Got the pink paper. I can still smell that though, bro. I can still smell that. Bro, let me check my size real quick. Okay, whoo. I was getting scared, man. Cause y'all know I'm a size 12. I seen it on Twitter. A dude got a pair sent from Nike just like me. And note, these are laced up already. Y'all see me unbox them. But anyways, he got a size, I might have it backwards. He got a size, he ordered a size 11 and that's what I saw on his receipt. The box says size 11, but he got a size 12 shoe. So I'm thinking he mixed his up with somebody else's, and I just got mine, so I was getting worried, like, man, I hope it ain't my pair that got screwed up. Because if Nike screwed up my pair, bruh, look. Y'all just see me open that, right? My bag ain't even on there either. It's missing a hang tag. So what y'all think was harder to cop? On the Travis Scott website or the sneakers website? Y'all let me know what y'all think was harder. But that's fine. Everything is still DS. These things are dope, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna front right now, bro. Like, I know y'all done heard me say so many times. So many times. I don't know, I guess because it's in person, man. I don't know what it is. I'm not caught by no hype because I ain't no hype beast. And I do got Jordan 1 lows in my collection for back in the day, so y'all get out of here with all that. But man, they are pretty dope, bro. The suede is like stupid. I'm not a big fan of this backward swoosh. That's one thing I gotta say right now. Not a big fan of the swoosh, man. That's one reason why I didn't go after the highs, man. That's one reason I didn't go after the highs. But you see the little Cactus Jack logo on the back. I'm pretty sure y'all done seen a million people open these, but y'all ain't seen me open them. Oh man, I really like that. That's a splash right there on the bottom. That bottom, the outer sole, that chocolate mocha color, it looked like some Rocky Road ice cream, bro. That's fire, bro. Like fire. one, maybe two pairs of brown sneakers in my collection. Hey, bro, these actually are pretty dope, man. Resale's getting stupid on these. After Travis Scott confirmed that there wasn't gonna be no more pairs anywhere given out or sold, prices went through the roof, man. It went up about $100, $200 in the last 2 hours. Bruh. But oh, let me tell y'all the story. So I reached in there and pulled out my Air Force Ones that are suede. Brown suede. Remember I told you I only got maybe 2 pairs of brown shoes in the collection, if even that. This suede is actually excellent on these Air Forces. I got these at the outlet mall for like $69, something like that. Fire to me. Black, and look. Black and brown. Just like these, right? But this is a real fine hair on these, bro. Like, this is like crazy. Bro, this suede is butter. This is like the best example I can see of suede that I've seen this good is on the New Loves. The Bread 4s also. The Bread 4s got some fire suede on them. The New Loves and the Bread 4s, bro, got the same suede right here. Stupid buttery, bro. Like, man. They're actually pretty dope, though. The part that I really like about this shoe, that's bad. The embroidery on the back, that Jordan 1, the Wings logo on the back, that's fire. Y'all see that? And then the tag on the toe, fire, bro. Like, man, I ain't even trying to hype this shoe up because, you know, I'm all about flipping these because I don't like this swoosh right here. But let me tell y'all the story, man. I was out mowing the grass on Saturday, had the headphones in. Notification went off, bro. I was in there, bro. Like, no lie, bro. In there, bro. I was in there. Time was going by. I'm like, man, I probably ain't got it. I want to say it took me about 5 minutes before I. No, it was longer than 5 minutes because it was a 30-minute window to enter the drawing on sneakers. The drawing went by. After the drawing closed, I said it took about 5 minutes and I got them, bro. I couldn't believe it, man. I got them. But the crazy thing is, I got them on the Travis Scott website too, man. And I did all my stuff with the phone, man. Ain't no bots over here, bro. All phones, all mobile, all quick hands, baby. You know what I'm saying? I got them on the Travis Scott website too, so I actually doubled up. And sometimes you gotta get 2 pairs, double up shouting. Now I originally said I was gonna flip both. I know the prices were going up crazy, and I am a ones collector, so maybe I'll flip one and hold on to another one. I don't know, but seeing them in hand is different, bro. Like, it's very different. I haven't seen the highs in hand, but I can only imagine, bro. The quality is remarkable, bro. I'm gonna tell you, remarkable. This is some of the best quality I've seen. This is probably the best quality I've ever seen on suede. Suede, man. It's real fine. Like, you can tell it's expensive suede, bro. Like, the material. Man, the colors are nice too. As you saw my lace lock bags, they were all, one of them was torn off. I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll that y'all see this shoe. Y'all comment below. Did y'all hit on these things? Did y'all hit on Travis Scott? Did y'all hit on these? A 130 for some lows really ain't bad. Especially because they're at like 7 something right now, my size. I know some of the other sizes are already over a G. But yeah, you'd be a moron to send these back, right? Even if you don't like them. And it was only drawing on the sneaker, so I had that great luck. But again, I haven't hit besides the Fear Guys, the sales. I haven't hit, man, in a long time, bro. Like, time's been passing me by on the app, man. I was just telling my wife the other day, I was like, man, I might uninstall the app because I ain't getting nothing on the app, bro. I mean, nothing. And this changed my whole outlook right here, bro. I finally got a dub, man. But the wax laces, this is beautiful. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The only thing I don't like, again, is the swoosh that I'm going to keep saying. These would have definitely been a keep for me if the swoosh would have been regular. I don't know, maybe it would have grown on me, but to me, it don't look as bad on this one as it did on the highest. On the highest, it just looked completely out of place, bro. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping, but the cell colorway goes great with the mocha brown, though, man. I can't even front on that. And the wax laces, you seen people do customs with the wax laces, man. You can't go wrong. Yeah, so Nike's doing those QRC codes now. I think I might have said this in one of my other videos, but there's a QRC code on the actual tag inside the sneaker, and there's one on the box now. I'll make y'all with some B-roll so y'all can see better angles of this. They both got Cactus Jack on the inside by the swoosh side. You see it right there? And there's not really too much to explain on these because they're lows. Lows are meant for skating based off the SBs. Now I don't know if this pair is based off the SBs. I seriously doubt it because I don't even know Travis Scott skates, to be honest with you. The dunks were made after dunk lows with a skateboard, and then people started playing basket. They're meant for basketball, and then people started skateboarding in them. Hit that note. Yeah, check out this B-roll.
My uncle made this.
Hey, so what y'all think, man? Sneaker of the year? I don't think so. I know people are saying the highs are up there for the sneaker of the year. If I'm gonna choose a Jordan 1, it's gonna be sneaker of the year, and I don't even know. Yeah, it'd be close. I'm gonna have to say the SB, the Jordan SB, the LA to Chicago. I'm gonna say that'd be sneaker of the year if I'm gonna choose a Jordan 1 so far that came out. Not the Travis Scott, because that's just based off of hype, man. Like, I'm talking about total packaging and everything, man. Like, the lows are pretty much the same as the highs, right? The same quality. It's just the lower version. So I know you can't say the lows because the highs came out before the lows did. But yeah, I know they're super limited supposedly. So hey, it's all good though. But y'all write down in the comments, man, if you got them or not, man. I know some people didn't even. A lot of people I know. I only know one other person that copped. Everybody else that I know didn't get one pair, bro, on either website, man. Like, so it had to be stupid limited though, man. It was crazy. But then again, I made up for catching an L on the highs, man. Made up for it, baby. I thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like if you will. Subscribe if you trill. Till next time, we about this thing.